Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Hi everybody, we're gonna be starting our hike to Lake Agnes Trail. Stay tuned. Hi guys, for today's hike I'm gonna be with Jamie and Joanna.
It's what you see on Instagram is actually here.
No, really though.
Because you know how sometimes you see it on Instagram and you see it in real life and it's like, oh.
Yeah.
Or like the contrast is so bright.
Yeah.
It's not actually that blue.
Yeah.
No, it is.
Where we're going.
It's only 4.8 kilometers, but it's just because it's steep, right?
Only 4.8. So Mariosep, when we're going up there, we will run out of breath already, huh? You won't be laughing like that anymore.
When I do marathons, I'm just like, oh, you know, 42.
Look how bright it is. Are running out of breath. We are running out of breath. That's what we are.
I feel like the trick is to breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth.
That's not enough for me.
And then longer exhale. Because your carbon dioxide gets built up, which makes you want to breathe more. So you go,
Like slowly.
yeah,
A controlled breath.
yeah.
For I'm just like
Same.
just started.
That's why I couldn't hear you.
Yeah, like,
Also depends on our pacing. We don't have to go really fast. Yeah.
not
You
doing,
start overtaking or something.
Me?
Is there a photo?
Good. That is the beehive. Take a look. Yeah. Do you want it with the horse? Horse is what?
no.
They're humongous.
Can we take the horse down? Or no?
Sorry,
we're leaving you
with you.
Oh wow, like even the horses don't step on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
They
Like,
know
look,
it's
watch,
shit.
watch.
Oh.
Oh.
The first one did it.
Smell that?
I was gonna take a drink. I think I'm gonna pass.
Oh, is it?
Yes, girl, work it.
That's okay. No, that's okay. It's okay. That's the big one. Right there. Yeah. Yeah. That's the one on the picture. I think we're here. It's just like straight ahead.
Oh, this is cute. I like it.
Anything for you, Dad?
Yeah. Do you want one?
Actually, maybe yeah.
Yeah. Sure.
I'm here.
Might as well.
Can I come back here? No.
No.
Not here.
Here, here. Holy moly. The same way. We got back from here.
Hey everyone! Don't forget to hit subscribe and that little bell button. Thanks for watching!